Now let's do creating agent pool and install agent. Okay, now we have VM with us. Okay, just try to create agent pool. Now how could we create agent pool? So go to Azure portal, open any project, in which project you are going to create agent pool. Create select that project, open that project, go to project settings. In left hand panel there is a pipeline section. In that pipeline section, very first option we will find, that is agent pool. Click on agent pool. Now what we are going to do, we need to create an agent pool and install Windows agent on it. This is our requirement. Okay, so click on add pool. There is right hand side, there is option add pool. So click on add pool. We are going to create a new one, select. So that is the reason I am selecting new one. Here there is two options, self-hosted and virtual machine scale set. We later we will see the difference between these two when we are discussing about theory part. So click on self-hosted. We are going to create self-hosted because this is the server is our own, correct? That is the reason. Here you have to give agent pool name based upon this uh, syntax. Okay, it is not mandatory, but uh, it will I will follow this scenario. So that is the reason I am selecting here. Okay, what is one? First you have to give the organization name, then you could give project name, then which type of agent you are going to install this particular agent pool, then shortcut of agent pool, AP agent pool. Okay, so if you want to give description you can give, no problem, but I don't want to give any description as of now. Here you have to select the permission option, because if you create and install this agent pool in particular project, okay, in this particular project you could use this particular agent pool for every pipeline in this particular project. Okay, so grant access permission to all pipelines. Okay, so that is the reason I'm selecting this option. It better to select this one as well. Okay, so select it. So click on create. See, here our agent pool has been created. The next one is we have to install Windows agent on this VM. Okay, how could we create it? Okay, now we need these details. We have already these details, that is virtual machine details, that is IP address is with us, and also we have agent pool name as well. So go to here, open agent pool which you have created just now. Go to agents, go to agent, it, click on new agent. These are the details about our what we called image or agent. So Mac OS is there, Linux is there, Windows is there. Okay, but currently we are going to practice only Windows. Okay, so that is the reason I am selecting Windows. These are the step by step guide of installing agent on virtual machine. Okay, now just what I used to do is, first I will try to log into virtual machine. This is the public IP address of virtual machine recently what we created. So click on this one, go to search option, select RDP, remote desktop connection, open it. Here computer name, that is nothing but public IP address you have to give. Enter public IP address, click on connect. It will ask authentication details, but let me modify from here. So here you have to give username. Username is nothing but username is MVK admin is our username here. What when I am going to create this virtual machine, I have given the username details is this. Just click on connect. Now type uh, password. Click on yes. Like this, we are going to log into the virtual mission. It's a VM. Okay. In real time as well. In not only in real time, in projects, in organization is doing like this only. They will give one IP address or server name. You have to go with the RDP and log in with credentials. Okay. The next one is uh, sometimes what we need to do, we have to follow the steps. uh, we have to follow the steps here. First one is download the agent. This one you have to download it. Then you have to create an agent and configure it. Okay. Let's complete this configuration now. What I need to do, either I can download this one, or uh, download into locally and transfer into virtual machine, but it is very time taking process. Let What I can do is I will directly log in with this organization into virtual machine. Let's go to this one. Actually, this is the best practice when you are going to uh, uh, installing. Open Edge. Start without data. Confirm and continue. Continue without data. Confirm, start browsing. You have to type dev.azure.com slash the organization name MVK Tech 10839. MVK Tech 10389. Correct na? 839, sorry. 839. 839. Enter. So it will ask you credentials to sign in. So type the credentials with your email address. It is the best practice. Okay, whenever you are going to install agent on particular virtual machines, it is a best practice. Okay, so you can follow the same process in your organization as well. Open in project where you are going to create. Go to the project settings, select agent pool. This is the agent pool which we created recently. Okay, open it. Go to agents, click on new agent, download this. Now you could download this because we are already in virtual machine, so there is no need to transfer the downloaded agent into the virtual machine. Directly we are going to download this option. So click on it. So it is downloaded. So you have to extract this downloaded agent into newly created folder. Okay, so here what they are saying, you have to create a agent, create a folder with name agent and move to that folder, then you could extract, it will do. But what I used to do is I will go with this option manually. Okay, first I will create a folder and go to that folder and extract that one. Okay, so open file explorer, this PC, C drive, create a new folder, click on folder. I will create a agent and open it. Now I will extract downloaded zip file into this location. Just right click, extract all, select the location to where you are going to paste it. So select the folder, click on extract. Now the second option, okay, now the second option is completed. This one is completed. Now download is completed and extraction also completed. Next, what we need to do, we need to configure the agent. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it 1 minute. It is still extracting, wait. Meanwhile, uh, we could open PowerShell script, sorry, not PowerShell script, PowerShell software in administrate mode. Okay, open PowerShell in administrator mode, run as administrator. Now where you have extracted that zip file, move to that uh, location, copy this location, and cd is changing directory, just paste it, because here only we have extracted now. So that is the reason I am going to that folder. Just click on agent. Now you are in this location. Okay, next what we need to do is, we need to configure the agent. How could we configure the agent? With the help of this command. Okay, so let's go to here, let's type directory. It will display what are the extractor files available in this folder. Okay, what we need to do, we need to execute this command. Okay, so just you have to type C, then click on tab. Okay, so here just you have to, because there is no option, there is no files or there is no folders are started with C, there is only one. That is the reason I have type only one letter and select the tab button. Okay, so it will automatically come, or else you can directly copy this one and paste here, it will also, it would work. Okay, just click on enter. This is going to ask server URL. Okay, what is the server URL? Server URL is this one, dev.azure.com, and your what we called organization name. Copy it, paste here, click on enter. So it is asking authentication. Okay, it is asking authentication. So we are usually using pat token, right? So that is the reason I am just click on enter. If you read this, enter authentication type, press enter for pat. Okay, here we are using pat, personal access token. Okay, so that is the reason I just click on enter. enter. Okay. Meanwhile, we could go to Azure dev.azure portal and create a pad token. Okay. How could we create pad token? Go to here. Here there is a search function. Go to personal access token. Create a new one. Select full access. I have selected full access. Just click on create. Copy this and paste it somewhere. Okay, copy this and paste it somewhere. Now open PowerShell. Oh, it is not. Okay, now it is asking for value of pad token. So give that pad token value which you have copied or which you have created recently. Copied it. Click on enter. So it is asking agent pool name to register agent. Okay, what is the agent pool name? What is the agent pool name we have created? This is the name. Okay, this is the name of our agent pool name. Okay, that is the reason you have to enter that agent pool name here. But you you have to uh, what we call you have to give yastis by typing manually. Okay, so just typing manually. And what is that? Organization project win ap. This is the name of our agent pool where we have to create agent. Just click on enter. Here it is asking agent name. Okay, agent name is your virtual mission name. This is our virtual mission name. Okay, this is our virtual mission name. uh, how could you verify it? Okay, how could you verify? Go to Azure portal. Here, see, this is the one our agent pool, sorry, virtual mission name. So just click on enter. Click on enter. Oh, what happened? It is taking some time. So yes, we are going to create store all the files in our working folder, right? So that is the reason I am selecting default one. Just click on enter. There is no need to modify. Here it is asking enter agent as a service. Yes, actually our agent is working as a service, so you have to give yes. That is nothing but y. Click on enter. Then it is asking about some restricted authentication. So there is no restriction authentication as of now, but uh, if you have in your organization you could give this, but by default, so we don't want to give anything here. Okay, click on enter. Same thing, just click on enter again. See, it is asking us to enter whether you have to create start the service or not. Okay, just I will click on enter because I want to start the service. Okay, I want to start the service immediately. Okay, if you click on yes, it will prevent starting your service. Okay, so that is the reason I just click on enter. See here, your service has been successfully started. let's let's try to verify, okay, whether it is created or not. How could you verify? So go to the agent pool, go to the agent pool where you have created. This is your agent pool now. Here, see, agent has been installed and it is online. Like this, we can going to create agent pool and install an agent on it. This is the procedure. Okay, clear?